Hi boys and girls, Miss Redding here. Today we are going to be making our Johnny Appleseed hat craft. So what you're going to need today is a stapler, a black crayon, a red crayon, a glue stick, and then your pieces, which include an apple, a pot handle, this gray thing that is going to be the pot, and then a sentence strip, which is something that we'll use if you need more room for your head. So first thing that you're going to do is you are going to take your apple first. Okay, so kind of push the things off to the side. It's still there, but we don't need it right this instant. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my red crayon and I'm going to color it. Now, it does not have to be red, but it does need to be a color of an apple. Maybe you really like green apples or yellow apples, but make sure it is the color of an apple. So I want you to notice when I'm coloring is that I'm going in little strokes like this. Okay, I can go down like that. We want to make sure that every area is covered. Here we are, we're almost done. If it takes you a little while, you kind of don't want to see a lot of white. It's okay if you see a little bit, but you can always go back in and color some more. Okay, I'm happy with that. So if you're not done with coloring the apple yet, you can pause it here and wait. But if you are done, you're going to take your black crayon and you're going to do the first letter of your name right in the middle of this. So Miss Redding's name starts with a C. Now yours might start with an A or an M or a W or a B or an L. There's so many. You just choose the first letter of your name, okay? So I'm pressing down kind of hard. I can see that, but I want to make it a little bit darker. So I'm going to go over it again. I'm going to trace over it. Make it a little darker. Okay. Yeah. All right. So now you're going to take your glue stick. You're not going to take this. You're going to take the gray piece first. Okay. So it's pretty long. I want you to fold it in half. Okay. Don't have to press down too hard. And you're going to open it back up. And you see how there's two lines? On this line right here, that's your middle line. So what you're going to do is you're going to glue your apple right onto there. Remember, roll it up. Put a little glue. Not pressing too hard. I'm going to take this and I'm glue it right in the middle. Okay? If you have a brown crayon, you can color that too. I forgot to. The stem. Okay, so now we have this colored. Then you're going to decide what side the handle is going to be on. I'm going to put it on this side right here. You don't have to, but I'm going to. So then I'm going to see how long do I want it to be more on. I'm going to do it about there. So I'll flip it over. Okay, take my glue again. Glue on there. Okay. Remember, I'm going to roll down the cap. Put it on. And I'll glue it on there. Okay. And then, I don't think it might fit somebody's head, but it won't fit most of our heads. And then yeah, that won't fit most of our heads. Okay, and you would staple it, okay? But if it doesn't, like mine's not going to fit my head, I'm going to take the sentence strip. I'm going to put it, I'll put it on this side first. Put it over here. gonna staple it. Remember, have an adult help you when you staple. Okay. Okay. And then you're gonna have to measure your head, okay? So let's see if I can do it on mine. Okay, so now I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna measure it. You're also probably gonna need scissors for this. Okay, so you're gonna put it so that the apple is kind of in the middle of your head. You're gonna wrap this around, okay? Have a parent help you and try and figure out where's a good spot that it matches up. So right about here for me, it's good. So I'm gonna take my scissors, okay? Cut away from you. Okay, so then I'm gonna take the stapler again. Adults, you'll need to help them with this. It's kind of hard to show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna take it like right there and I will staple it right there and right there. You might not even need the sentence strip. Okay, so you're gonna put it, and then it'll be on, and then you'll have this kind of at the back, and then you have your hat.